E3 over temperature fault. The temperature kept rising and eventually displayed E3. Open the cover to check whether the thermostat has come loose. Reconnect it and restart the unit.